right, I guess it's my turn to get in. Look at your hair's all knotted up. Hey, he's gonna need that Gately brush.
That's crazy. It really is knotted, dude.
Ooh, there's one on the ground right there. All right, let's check out these subs real quick. See what we're working with. .618s, you said?
Yes, sir.
God damn.
Wired at 0.35 ohms on 3 Gately Audio 15Ks. I don't know where we're clamping, but I'm guessing we easy got 6K plus on each sub clamped on.
All right, so I want to hear the song that you just played for Brandon, though.
Okay,
you can play whatever you want, but I got to hear that because that was that's good, right?
Okay, you ready? Close that door, kid.
Close the door.
Watch your feet.
Here we go. Hope I can hold my phone.
I'll make you disappear.
Call me blinking. He wasn't lying when he said that high note is killing motherfuckers.
Yeah, that higher note.
The high shit kills me.
Yeah. Everything's killing it, but that one right there is like,
Yeah, that was a little uncomfortable.
very uncomfortable.
Yeah.
And it drives. You can drive this around town.
You got AC blowing, baby. Yeah.
This thing is not a trailer queen. You can drive this around town. So
I had it on the freeway. We drove to Hangtown and back. It was 107 degrees out that day.
you do not want to be in front of this in traffic
Oh, no.
and turn your beat on.
We were on our way. On our way
someone
to
try you?
Hangtown. No, we're on our way to Hangtown, and I'm driving along, and I was like trying to figure out the gauges don't work at all. Like, this shit's all broken in here. But so I'm chooching along, I'm trying to guesstimate how fast I'm going, and then I realized I was supposed to turn, and I hit the brakes, and it was like, I'm gonna slow down a little bit, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna pass that, and then turn around up there and make my way back. It was like, all right, but I mean, I'm guessing it weighs about 9,500.
Yeah, you want to tell your boy to get some wheel widths for this thing or something?
Yeah, he probably will. He's down. He loves this thing. He's excited. He hasn't even had it in his possession yet. So
End up looking this way.
You know when a vehicle is loud when you're in it and you have to start moving around and try to find that spot that doesn't hurt. You know what I mean? That shit was choking me out.
Pretty fucking zappy, man, and it murders the low. I mean, we were playing
It's
16
tappy.
hertz a little while ago, but it's got bandwidth. It does really well. It's real solid. It's easy to operate. It's a little bit like cheating because we're using the rear AC to cool the amps, so they're like the amps. You know, even though we've beat the shit out of them for an hour or so, we're at 113.
Let's
Play
go.
that Twist of Funk one.
Let's go look.
Twist of Funk's good.
Let's go take a look at those
Give
amps
it
real quick.
another-
So what's great about the way that Bobby's doing this is these heat sinks were extruded, especially for these little. What are those? What are those little fasteners called?
80/20 hardware.
So these little squares with threads go in here. They go behind that, and he can attach from the side. So as you can see, all the regular feet that us regular people use aren't being used right now.